guys. So for today, welcome back for your science lesson. Alright, for today's lesson, teacher Pai going to give a short tutorial on how to use PowerPoint. This is very important for you to learn because you can use this PowerPoint for your task later. Let's begin. First, you need to open a new PowerPoint window. Once it pops up like this, you need to choose a blank presentation. Okay, so the next step, this design idea you can close first. Here, you need to click your title. Example, to the topic about the animals. Okay. Right. Here you need to write your name. Example, you can write Muhammad if your name is Muhammad, Akil, and your partner Muhammad. So this is done for this page. Okay, so for the first page we will write about the title and your name. Okay, so to add a new slide, you go to the button new slide here. So suddenly you have the slide. Okay. As we know, we have three groups of animals. So first group is our herbivore. So you are going to talk about the herbivore animals. So what you are going to do is you need to find a picture. You can find a picture of animals. What you can do is you need to go to your Google. Please find a picture of herbivore. Example, you are going to find about the goat. Okay, so you click at the images and you can find a cute goat over here. I will choose this. So you choose this and you right click and then you save this image at your desktop. Okay, so you write this as a goat and save. So you are done. And now go back to your PowerPoint page. Here you are going to insert the picture that is saved just now. So go back and go to the desktop. Alright, here you find the picture that you saved. This is the one, goat. Then you already insert this picture. Okay, so it is time to add a new slide. The same step, you press the new slide and here you need to write the next group of animals, that is carnivore. Okay, carnivore animals. Alright, so same step, you are going to find the picture of carnivore animals. So go to the Google and you can find the picture of carnivore animals, that is tiger. Okay, and then So there is the tiger here. So which one we are going to choose? I'm going to choose this. And you can right click, save image as, and then make sure it is at the desktop. It will be easier for you. So you will get title, save it, go back to your PowerPoint presentation, insert, press the picture, justifies, and you can look at the desktop. There is a title, insert. Here you are. If you want to enlarge this picture, okay, you can use your mouse and you can press and like this. Okay, and as you can see on your right side, there is a design ideas. Okay, teacher will start from the first slide. So you need to have some designs so that it look beautiful when you present this. So I'm going to choose this. It's nice. Muhammad Aqil and Salahuddin. Okay, and for this, wow, that is like this. So which one do you want? I like to choose like this. Oh, so cute this. Carnival animals. Yeah, you can have like this. Yes. So you can do this. And on another group of animals, which is omnivore, use the same step. Go to the new slide, write your title, add the picture. To add the picture, you need to find the picture from the Google, save it at the desktop, insert a picture. Okay, so you can do this already. If you have any question on making a PowerPoint presentation, you can always ask teacher. Okay, you can call to teacher or you can send a message. Okay, so see you again in the next class. Please try to do this PowerPoint presentation and upload your work in the Google Classroom. Right? So until then, thank you. See you again.